So for this strategy, you need a QQE Mod indicator. So it's this one. I use default setting, don't change anything. And then you need a supertrend indicator. So it's this one. Also default settings. And then you need 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA. Okay, so for buy, you want the supertrend to be red, and then you want the price to be above the 200 EMA, and basically you wait for a blue bar here. Okay, so this is the signal, and another criteria is that between here the signal and the first time it becomes red, okay, so it's here, the price must touch the 200 EMA. Okay, so touched or close below 200 EMA, it doesn't matter. So in this case, it touched the 200 EMA, and then you have the blue bar here. So we buy here, and the stop loss is the last logical swing high, swing low. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. Okay, all right. So we got that one. So it's here. Okay, and here we have a signal. All right. Supertrend is red above 200 EMA, but the price doesn't touch the 200 EMA. Okay, so we don't take this one. And the reason why we buy when supertrend is red is because we are buying the retracement. Okay, so we don't want to buy at the top. All right, so here we have another signal. Okay, blue bar, price above 200 EMA. Supertrend is red and it touch. Okay, between here and here, the price touch the 200 EMA. So this is a valid signal. So we can buy that. All right. Stop loss is maybe right there. Can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right. And then we have another signal here. Okay, blue bar, supertrend red, price to above 200 EMA, and between here and here, it touched the 200 EMA. Okay, the price touched the 200 EMA, so you can buy here. All right, you can buy there. Stop loss is maybe right here, so you can target 1 to 2 or something. All right. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. You want the supertrend to be green and price below 200 EMA, and you wait for the red bar here. Okay, so this is a valid signal, and between here and here, the price must touch the 200 EMA. So we touched the 200 EMA here, so we can take this. Stop loss is logical, swing high, swing low. Okay, can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right, so okay, so here we have a sell here. All right, red bar here. So and it touched between here and here, it touched the 200 EMA. Okay, so we can take it. So stop loss is maybe right there. Target 1 to 2. Okay, and then nope. Okay, so here we cannot take it because it doesn't touch the 200 EMA. Okay, and okay, so here we it doesn't touch the 200 EMA, and okay, so here we can take this. Okay, so the trend is green, and then it touched the 200 EMA. All right, so we can take this. So if you don't understand, just comment down below. I'll answer your question. Okay. Target 1 to 2 or whatever. So here, supertrend is green and red bar here, and it touched the 200 EMA. So we can take this, maybe right there. Target, 1 to 2 or whatever. Okay. So okay, so here we cannot take it because it doesn't touch the 200 EMA. All right. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.